Working on the sleeve of my brand new purple All-Stars hoodie, we're going to be using Waluigi to put on the side. It's going to be epic, so let's get into this thing, man. Stop wasting any time. In your face!
In the city and I'm lurking 63rd. If the bullets on the tail, then I think you know the word. All the whiskey in the luggage and it's going to a dirt. Everybody in the area ain't messing with the herd.
shirts were made in the US, which means sizes run true to size, if not slightly bigger. We make art, we sell art. And our shirts range from small to 5XL, so big and tall, we got you covered. We use polyester fleece materials, which means they're very soft and breathable. Love the vibrant colors? Well, don't worry, they don't fade or shrink after washing. Tired of the same old boring images used over and over again? Or just a square image right in the middle of your shirt? Our shirts are custom designed and fully wrapped all the way around. We have sold thousands of orders all over the US to happy customers. So what are you waiting for? Order some of the most amazing, vibrant, and soft t-shirts in the industry today. We make art, we sell art. In your face!